What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever imagined about the book that actually you read now is actually the haunted book or let's say the cursed book? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a guy who is reading the book in the library, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally transformed into the creepy again. And as you can see, there are several books is like floating or levitating, and also there is some ghosts emerge from this book, guys. Ooh, isn't that creepy, right? How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform such as Dreamina or Gemini AI or maybe Quen AI or the Digen AI, it is very okay. You can simply explore and do the experiment with it. And also don't worry, because here we will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation, guys. And after that, if you'd like to use this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email to get the access to try this Nano banana. You can click this one and you can start to upload the picture when you are reading the book like this. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section, and after that you can start to give this prompt the screenshot, or you can simply copy it from the description box. Well, to create this look or this gesture, you can intensify the prompt about, let's say, the gesture, let's say being terrified by this scene. So the prompt can be written like this: intensify the man's expression in the image to one of the extreme terror or panic, let's say, and also while carefully preserving his original facial features. And also his eyes should be wide with the fright and jaw dropped, and also like a screaming or gasp of a horror of his body and his body language, conveying profound shock. And also all other elements remains: the stacked book and also the book he is reading are levitating above his head and envelop a gloomy ethereal green glow, and also appearing haunted. And also the transparent spectral ghosts are emerging from the page of the floating books, and the library settings is gloomy and spooky Halloween environment with a subtle decoration like the cobwebs and also dim lighting and also eerie shadow. And also his head is sharply tilted upwards, staring in absolute terror of the haunted floating books above him, with the hands possibly raised in a desperate, defensive, or startled gesture. So you can put this prompt in this section and you can click run and kindly wait for the result. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture, guys, like this. And by this same prompt, you can actually have the different result. So you can start to check it out while the picture has been generated down here. And after that, you can simply save it, let's say. Or if you don't really satisfied about the result, don't worry, because you can also rerun this prompt to get the best version of the picture like this. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.